Stock number 40399G. It's 2010 Audi A4. It does have a key. It does not start, probably because the battery's dead. You can see the front bumper has paint problems. The front driver's side headlight's broken. See, the hood's got paint problems. Paint problems on the front bumper. Got paint problems on the rear bumper. Driver's side quarter panel's no good. Driver's side back door's no good. Driver's side door is good. The driver's seat airbag is deployed and the driver roof airbag is deployed. Again, it does have a key, but it does not start, probably because of the dead battery. Driver's side. This is the passenger side. There's the glove box. It does have a sunroof. The interior is in good condition. Again, this is stock number 40399G. It's 2010 Audi A4.